Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Answer the Public for keyword research. This powerful tool helps you discover what questions people are asking online about your chosen topic. It aggregates search queries and presents them in a visually engaging way, making it easier to understand user intent. You can quickly identify hundreds of potential keywords and content ideas, saving you valuable time and effort in your research process. To begin, simply type your main keyword into the search bar and select your country. Answer the Public then generates a comprehensive visualization of questions, prepositions, and comparisons. You'll see categories like what is, how to, and versus, giving you a broad spectrum of user queries. This initial step provides a rich dataset of potential long-tail keywords and content angles to explore. Once the results appear, carefully examine the data visualizations, especially the question wheel. This helps you understand the specific problems and interests of your audience. Look for long-tail keywords, which are often more specific and have higher conversion potential. You can easily download all the generated data as a CSV file, allowing for further sorting and analysis in a spreadsheet program. Now for practical application. Use these generated questions to craft highly relevant blog posts, articles, and frequently asked questions sections. By directly addressing user queries, you improve your content's search engine visibility and provide real value. Consider combining these insights with data from other keyword research tools to build a robust content strategy. Always focus on the user's intent behind each question.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.